Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Gorilla Tech fan game using Unity Hub. Alright, first go to the link in the description. It'll take you to this, and then just press download for whatever you're on, for whatever OS you're on. I'm on Windows, so I download for Windows. Alright, once you're downloaded, you can close that and open Unity Hub, install editor, and just press any version. I recommend 2021 or 2022.3.25 or I forget which one it is. It's this, I think, but I forget new project. Once you install the editor, make a new project. I'm just gonna name mine tutorial. You can name yours whatever you want. I suck at spelling. Okay, whatever. But change to that. I'm just gonna select my organization, create. Alright. And then let's make a new one. It should pop up and it should load. It's reloading. Just gonna install it if you don't know. Speed the video. Okay, to in Unity, it's gonna just install packages. So just wait for this. Alright, now when that's done, so your sky would be different. I messed up my lighting, so I have to make a skybox. I'll make that in another tutorial. But yours is gonna be like a blue sky with a sun somewhere. Alright, so you're gonna see these two things to make you not see, to just turn them off, not turn them off, to make you so you don't see them. So press up here in the top right corner, press that and just turn it off, and then go over your hierarchy. It should be in sample scene. Just delete the main camera. You can keep the directional light if you want, but you don't need to. You can add that later. Alright, turn. You want to go to File, or not File, Window, Package Manager, and then go up here, Packages and Project. Press Unity Registry and search up XR, and then do XR, I forget which one, do XR Interaction Toolkit, install. Alright, just wait for that to install. And then, now you should see this. Press yes. And then press save. It should load back up. second package manager would be open or not be open. Just if it's open, press X. Alright, now what you want to do, go to edit. No, sorry. Go to XRI, settings, resources, and you should have all of this stuff. Alright, now go back to your assets, and then go to Window, project settings, then go here, and then press install XR Program Management. Okay, now once you've installed that, go here, XR Plug Management, and press install OpenXR in this one. Just tap on OpenXR and just install. Alright, now take you to project validation. If you see warnings, just press fix on these two ones that have the fix option. For the edit option, press on edit and then change render mode. Oh, just let this load. Alright, now change render mode to multipass. And same for the Android section. If you're in here, the monitor thing, just go to the Android section, change this to multipass. Now once you're in, go here, and then press Oculus in the Android tab of XR Plugin Management. Okay, once you've done that, go to Oculus, single pass, multipass, same in the Android tab, multi-view, multipass, and then check low overhead mode, and then just select Quest 2 and Quest 3. Or just leave it how it is. It's not gonna make it Quest Pro is not gonna be able to play. Now what you wanna do, under XR Plug Management, press OpenXR, and you should both be on multipass, Android and the monitor thing. I don't know what it is. That's Android. I can't put it in mind. So if you go in OpenXR, the monitor tab thing, so you should see enabled interaction profiles. Press the plus. Now tap on Valve Index Controller Profile. Go to Android tab. Add Oculus Touch Controller Profile. So there you go. Now you've set the project settings up. Now just go to File, top left corner, File, and Save. And then it would save your progress if Unity crashes for some reason. Alright, now what you want to do, go to your assets. I think it's XR. Or no, it's XRI settings. Where is it? I always forget where this is. Oh, that's right. We have to do this first. Go to Window, then Package Manager. Now, type in or put in the plus. Add package from get URL. Now go to type in. I forget what it is. Hold on. Alright, sorry, I just forgot what it was. So enter in package manager, press plus, press add package from get URL. Now type in com.unity .xr .interaction .toolkit, and then press add, and it should come up with this Please wait, installing a package. Just wait for this to be done. Alright. Now what you want to go, now if you're in package manager, go to XR interaction toolkit and then press starter assets and import it. Go to samples and import starter assets. I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, alright. Now you can close package manager. If this comes up, just press fix and fix on all the errors. Alright, now you can close your project settings. I'm gonna save once again. Now it should put you where this is. If it doesn't, just go assets, samples, XR interaction toolkit, whatever version this file is or folder, and then press starter assets. This is doing stuff. I don't know why. Just wait for this to be done. I don't know why this starts downloading something in the middle of it. But now once you want to go, not prefabs, go to your assets, samples, interaction toolkit 3.0 or whatever version it is. Go presets. Now you should see all of these. Click on them. So for all of them, click add. For all of them, click add to whatever this says. And then once you do all of it, you can move on. And then just make sure you have all of them added. Yeah, alright. Once all of them are added, you can just go back to your assets. Now what you want to do, go to edit, up top left, project settings. Now what you want to do, go to preset manager. See all of these. Do not touch anything else or click on anything else that could break it. Alright, now once you see controller input action manager, or this controller input action manager, for right controller input action manager, just type in right. For left controller input action manager, just type in left. Alright, now that's done. Now what you want to do, you want to actually import your Gorilla rig. It's just going to be 2 balls that you move with your hands. You can update that later. Alright, so what you want to do for that, so go in the link description, and then go to the Gorilla Locomotion GitHub. Don't worry, this isn't like a malware or anything. It's literally by another Axiom, or what, Axum, I don't know how to say it. It's like who made Gorilla Tag. So, once you're in here, press Gorilla Locomotion.unity package, and then press this download raw file. Now once it's installed, you can just go open up your file explorer manager, go to your downloads, and then drag this into your assets. Now it should show up. Click all, and then click import. It should be importing the Gorilla rig. You can press reload. It'll but if you do this again, if you if you accidentally delete Gorilla rig somehow and then you want to add it back, do not press reload. It'll delete everything. Just press ignore. So if you press reload, it's fine right now because you haven't made anything. The main camera will spawn back. Just delete that. Alright, now what you want to do, go resources, or actually go to assets, because like I forgot to tell you what this was. Go to resources and assets, gorilla prefab, and then just drag the gorilla rig out. I see 2 little balls. That means it's working. So if you now we can make the map. So for the map, in your hierarchy, click the plus, 3D object, insert a cube or whatever, and you can scale it down. I'm gonna make it just big so my player can play on the map. I'm not gonna make that big, but that's good enough. And I'm just gonna kind of put it under my gorilla rig. Oh, and by the way, if you resize the gorilla rig, it'll break it. Don't resize it. If you want to resize your map, you have to create empty, name it map, and then put all of your things in your map, drag it into map, and then map, you could just resize it. So yeah, don't resize the gorilla rig. That's what a lot of people have did a mistake on. Alright, I'm just gonna continue building my map. Gonna copy this like so, and I'm just gonna make a few cubes. You can like do parkour on or something. Just gonna make it like that. Control copy, Control V, or you could just press Control D to duplicate it. Just gonna make that, and then Control D. I'm gonna make this is top. Alright, there you go. That's our little parkour thing. Alright, and I'm just gonna add double wall. I'm gonna add those double wall things they have in Gorilla Tag, because it's like that's like the main thing you would probably want for your Gorilla Tag fan game. Just gonna make double walls real quick. And then, so basically, once you start out, if you want to rotate it, it'll be like all smooth and it won't be perfect. If you want it to be like perfect, hold Control down on your keyboard, then rotate it, and then it'll be like that. So you can like line it up with stuff. And yeah, I'm just gonna move this over here. Control D. Wait, it's kind of messed up. There we go. I'm just gonna make it like, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, and this over here. Control D. Alright, now we got double walls, so I'm just gonna bring both of these up a little bit, and this over here. Alright, now I have a map. So you're probably wondering how to add colors and like textures and stuff. So for your textures, where you want to find them, just open up like your browser or something and just search like what texture you want. I just searched for texture, found this cool concrete texture, and I already downloaded it. To download it, you just right click on the image, save the image as, and name it. So to add the textures, right click, go to your assets, right click, create, now press material, name it, or not material, sorry, create a folder, where's that, folder, and then name that, materials. Now go in your materials folder, right click, create, now click on material. Alright, name that material whatever you want. I'm just gonna kind of name it red, or green for, I'm gonna make this the grass. Now it'll be gray. Just click on it, and you'll see this. Click on this. You can make it whatever color you want. Now to put it, actually put it on your ground, you just want to drag it in. And put that. I'm gonna Control copy, Control V. Rename this to red. It's gonna be a nice red. And then I'm gonna make a, oh wait, rename. It's gonna be blue. I'm just gonna make that blue. That, and then for these, I'm just gonna make these like blue, red, green, red. Alright, now this kind of looks bad, but you know, it's just a tutorial. But so we have our map. To add an actual like texture, not just to have a solid color like it is now, search up on Chrome textures like I did last time, and then for in your materials folder, right click, import new asset, and go wherever you put the texture in, just click on it, press import. Now drag it on to whatever you want it to be on. I'm not gonna have it on these. Now when you put it on the actual like cube or whatever you're putting it on, it'll be blurry and like bad. It just looks bad. So for that, click on it, and then so you should be here. Click on Build near. Click point no filter, and changes. These are the pixels, like the pixels, and then like I'm just gonna change it 128 because that's like the best, and then click apply. And look how much better that is. I actually don't really like 128. I'm gonna put 512. Look how much better that looks. I'm gonna do the same for these. Just like so. And then there you go. I'm just gonna move this over because kinda. Alright. Now there. But I need a grass texture, so I'm just gonna go in my browser and look up grass texture. And I'm gonna get a good grass texture. This looks good. Save image as grass. Oh wait, no. Grass tutorial. Now I'm just gonna drag this in here. Put it on there. I'm gonna make go near point. There we go, we got grass. I'm gonna make these textures actually wood. If we go Opera wood texture. Just gonna get this looks good, I guess. It's probably gonna be bad, but wood texture. Drag that in also. Put it on both of these. It looks real bad. Why does that look like a tiger? But whatever. I'm just gonna change this to 128 point, no filter. I mean, but yeah, I swear that looks like a tiger. Look at the eyes, ear, mouth. I don't know what I'm saying these days. But there we go. So you got your thing. If you want to test it in your VR, you'll have to get like the Oculus app, then use AirLink or the link cable. I don't know if virtual desktop works. I haven't tried it. I usually use the Oculus app. But if you want to test it without going in VR, what you want to do, just click this play button up here. Just take you in. Take you in the game. Fall down. And actually, I do have the sky texture when I'm in the game. But what you want to do, so there'll be one ball now. So yeah, you'll be stuck in game. Just click scene, And then for your gorilla rig, just press this like arrow thing. Keep pressing it, and then until you find left hand controller and right hand controller. So use these. I'm gonna move it and stuff. See if and it works. Did everything right. If you need any help, just join my Discord server. Link will be in the description. So yeah, it works and everything. Now you just click the play button again. It'll stop it. So yeah, that's basically how you make a Gorilla Tag fan game. I'll be posting much more tutorials on how to create like a better one and stuff. So yeah, and one more thing. I'm actually gonna teach you guys how to do Pro Builder, how to use Pro Builder to make your maps look a lot better. I'm just gonna keep this one, but what you wanna do, go to Window, Package Manager, go to Unity Registry from here, search your Pro Builder, find Pro Builder, click install, just install this. Real quick, come on. Alright, it's almost done. Alright, let's install. Should be in. So to actually see the Pro Builder, go to press Tools, Pro Builder window, then click on this Pro Builder like tab, and then put it anywhere you want. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here. I recommend here, because that's what I use. Alright, now you'll see this thing, like tab thing. So we want to do, if you're on your Pro Builder tab over here, click New Shape, and then down here, select plane right here, and then just drag, and then you should see a plane, or you can make a plane by just going here, and then click on Pro Builder, and then just, plane. But I'm gonna do this. Alright, so now that you're in here, how to make like good map and everything. So if you look under it, it'll be invisible. That's normal. So you can like, I don't know why they did that, but so once you're in here, go to this vertex, or not vertex selection. Go to the this selection. Or actually, don't use this plane. Just click plus, Pro Builder, and click plane, so you'll have like much more squares and stuff. I'm just gonna resize it. And basically, if you don't see like the resize thing, you could be in a different like selection. So just click on this, and then you should see it. I'm just gonna size that up. Bring it up, and select this like the one square with the dots on the corners, and then select like these little things right here on the edges and bring it out, and do that for all of them like this. Bring this side out. Just gonna leave that one like that. Actually, bring it out a little bit. Keep unclicking it, man. It will take a little bit, but it'll be fine. If you have like a warning down here, it's probably fine. Just like mess this thing up. Just tell me in the Discord and I'll try to help. Alright, now once you have this, go to the this thing, the third one, the edge selection right here, and click each edge, like this little this thing. To hover over it, it will like turn yellow a little bit. Just hold shift while doing it so they don't unselect, or control, it doesn't matter. Only in your hierarchy matters, because like shift selects everything in the middle and control selects just like each, I don't know how to explain it, it's like weird, but just select each edge. Now don't click off of it if you're not holding shift. If you're holding shift and you click off of it, it's fine. Just make sure you have every edge selected. I do, so I'm just gonna bring it up like that, and yeah, there we go. Now what you want to do, go to your Pro Builder tab and click extrude edges, and then you can just bring it up to however you want. Now to make like those like slippery, like the red wall things, like grills, I guess, just click Control E, or down here, extrude edges. Now here, I'm just gonna kind of resize it and put it, oh never mind. So it should be like this. Just bring it up, and then there you go. You'll have those like slippery wall things. Alright, so now what you want to do, you can add your materials. So see, you have your materials right here, and by the way, if you click this like triangle thing, it'll show up with all your materials. You can change like the tiling and stuff. So I'm just gonna add my grass texture, but this happens, your whole map gets selected, so I'm just gonna undo that by pressing Control Z. And so to make that not happen, go on like here, then click on your grass, or not here, go, I think it's, yeah, go in your face selection, this one, and then hold shift, select all the faces on the grass, like this. And then, almost done. Alright, once all of them are selected, you can just bring it up and stuff. And if you want to like adjust your like map where the grass is, you can just bring it up. It won't like change anything. If you're wondering if you like accidentally click off on a different face, you can just press Control Z and it'll undo, and then go back to where you had selected before. Alright, now what you want to do, go to your Pro Builder tab if you're already in it, or click detach faces, and then show up with plain run. Rename this grass. And then if you want like your slippery walls to be a different texture, just select all of these. If you like mess something up, just press Control Z. It'll most likely fix it. And go back and select all your slippery walls. Click detach faces, and then you'll have your slippery wall. And then you can rename it as slippers. I'm just gonna name it slip walls. And then for your plain, these are your walls probably. Click rename it. Just right click on it and then press rename. Rename them walls. Just gonna change it right here so it's kind of in order. Alright, now you can add your textures. So I'm gonna get a rock texture real quick. For this is gonna be my slip walls, but I already have that texture installed on my PC. Let's see. This looks good. Save image as rock walls. Now let's just drag it in. put it on your walls. And I'm gonna import my other texture, snip walls. And I'm gonna import that texture. That's the texture I already had. So now it looks really good, but the resolution on like the textures are off. So just click on your texture, inspector, go to inspector, change this to like 128, change this to point no filter, click apply. As you can see, this is like much better. Looks super good. Do the same for your slippery walls. 128, veneer, point no filter, apply. And then it should be pixelated like that. Our grasses too. And that looks like really good. So I don't know why this is. So there you go. You have your map. This is my old map. I'm just gonna delete this. And I'm gonna move the gorilla rig over here. That. And if you, on your textures, if you see like squares, you can just go down here. And then change this. You can change the tiling to like 0. That will mess up things. 0.1. And then this 0.1. And it'll be like more pixelated. 0.3. 0.3. And then there you go. That's good. I like that. So now there'll be like less squares. But you shouldn't really see it as much if it's like that. So yeah, what I mean by squares is these like, you can barely see them, but these like lines in the middle of it, cause like it's a picture. So there you go. There's your map. See ya.